If your heart aches for those in peril, you're not alone. On February 28th, a devastating avalanche buried a high-altitude road construction camp in Uttarakhand, India. 57 workers found themselves trapped under tons of snow and debris. Rescue teams battling harsh weather and blocked roads have managed to save 32 workers so far. Tragically, 4 lives have been lost, and the search continues for 5 workers still missing. Over 170 soldiers and medical teams are on the ground pushing through in these perilous conditions. The workers were on a critical highway project near Mana Pass. This region is no stranger to such disasters, with climate change and development heightening the risks. In other news, a major free trade agreement is on the horizon, promising to revive economic ties. Despite clean energy efforts, coal reliance is climbing. And in the business world, a significant financial takeover has finally concluded after a lengthy legal battle. Stay tuned for more updates. And keep those affected by the avalanche in your thoughts.